Good afternoon, and it's June 1st, and it's the first day of hurricane season. This is a tape over a tape because I'm trying to show the image if it was upside down. As you can see at the very bottom right here, there is a rotational area. And over here, coming up, is the cloud of interest. It looks like it has even proportional eyes, and it looks like it has a mouth right here. And I just want everyone to be open-minded, that we just try to observe nature in a different angle, not just assuming that there's nothing there. So just stay open-minded and think it's possible.